I've just got a small offcut of Yupo here. It's 10.5 centimeters by 10.5 centimeters, which is just over 4 inches square. And again, I'm going to use my airbrush on this. I'm just going to put a piece of colour on it. I'm going to put a couple of bits of colour on it, just blow it around and see what happens. That's the great thing about alcohol inks. You can just see what happens. So I'm going to put the ink down first, as well. So, bit there, and not the yellow. I'm going to put some sapphire blue here. Okay, and I'm just going to, and I'm just doing this because this is an offcut. I'm just going to let that do its own thing for a minute or two, or for a few seconds. And this time I'm not going to come in at an angle with the airbrush. I'm going to come in from the top. Just move it around. Let's see what happens. I just want a bit more here. I don't want all that white there. Okay, just let that run around a minute. Run around. There we go. And once that's dry, I'm going to have a little play with the metallic gold, if I can find the gold. There we go. That does need shaking. There's a little ball in there. And this gold doesn't work the same as the other inks. It doesn't run as easily. I think my shed door is about to blow open. Okay, that's shook up nicely. So, oh, there it goes. So I'm going to use blending solution here as well. So a bit of gold running through it. And the reason I'm using blending solution is it is a little bit stickier, and it doesn't, unlike the just normal alcohol, it does allow you to, there we go, there's some gold. As you can see, it floats on top of the gold, so I'm going to give that a second. And again, I'm going to come straight in from the top. And I'm going to blow that over it. See what happens. Maybe I've got the airbrush on a little bit high. I could have it a little bit softer. That's why I've got these little dots everywhere. But we can move them around so we don't have to have the dots in there. Let that dry. There we go. And that's with the gold in there as well. Let's see if I can zoom in on that. And that's what that looks like with the gold in. Zoom out. Okay, great. Thank you very much. Please subscribe and hit the like button if you've liked what you've seen.